So I'm going to show you guys a creative way to blend different textures and different pictures together to make a cool one. This is a very common thing that's been done a lot, but we're going to do it right here just for you guys. So we're going to take this little guy. So we're going to have 3 swimmers. I think he can go far back. He can be like that. And then we're going to take this lady. She's going to go far back too. Way. She's going to be a little closer though. Let's cut her off so we can see the other ones. There would be a cut. Delete. She might even be over here. Then we're going to have the person in the foreground. Boom. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do is make sure I'm still recording. Yes, I am. So, should we start it with him, her, or her? Screw it. Let's just start out with the foreground. We're going to take the lasso tool. Actually, screw that. We're going to use the magic wand, which is W on the keyboard. The selection doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to paint around it and build it back up. Alright. So, let's make a mask. Click that. Alright. Alright, so in order to paint this out, you want to make sure that you're going to use the brush tool, and since you made a layer mask, it did that. When you paint black, it will erase. So when you paint white, it will add from the old image because it's drawing on that. And make sure this is selected. Make sure opacity is at there, and we want the flow to be at 100. And we want to make that bigger. With this lady, we just want it around there. Okay. And on your paintbrush, you want to make sure that the hardness is at 0, and we're going to make this bigger. That way it fades into the road. Let's just undo everything. Okay, so to the paintbrush, yes. Ah, we want it to be white. Not pinning on the right thing. Shame on me. Okay, that's 1. Okay, so we want to make Control J to duplicate this layer. Alright, so now we're going to want to make this a little bit better and make it blend into the road because we want to take out that blue to make it the same color as the road. So how we do that is by getting an adjustment layer, adding a hue and saturation adjustment layer, make sure that it has the clipping on it so that it only affects the one below it and not any of the other ones. And then you go to your master, you go to your cyans, you bring down the cyans, go to your freaking blues, you bring down the blues. Well, we can keep the blues in. Yes. So that should help blend it in a little bit. I'm wanting to blend that in a little more. So we're going to make that bigger. Now we're going to want to color match her. And how we do that is by adding a curves layer. How do we color match that, you ask? With a curves adjustment layer. Make sure that is again hold Alt, hit auto, find dark and light, shadow, find the darkest parts of this image. Which I think are like right here. Then we're going to find the brightest parts of this image, which I think are right here. Yeah, this image isn't too bright. Now that looks like it fits in this image. Now we're going to add the other guys. We're going to do the same thing we did to her with the magic wand tool by hitting W. Okay, and then we're going to put a mask on her. Mask on her. Then we're going to hit that brush tool. Shrink-a-dink it. By way more than that. By way more than that. So now we're going to want to add the hue and saturation. Apply that to this. Make sure it's the clip and mask, because you only want it to affect that. Cyans. Blues. Bring that down a little bit. And then we want to add a color. A curve. A color correction with the curves. You do that easily. By holding Alt Auto. Find dark and light. Well, it did a pretty good job there, didn't it, buddy? Then we're going to want to do the same to this feller. Hit that W. George W. Bush. Then we're going to want to add a mask. Then we're going to want to paint it black. Paint it white on it. Make it a little smaller. So, we will definitely want to add a hue saturation on that. Make sure it's the clip and mask. Go to cyans. Reduce the saturation. Go to blues. Reduce the saturation. And now we have a bunch of people swimming. Boom. Now you can get more precise and effective with this if you want, but that's basically easy way you can mix. Mix and blend images creatively just using perspectives and different kinds of textures and different environments and things that are juxtaposition go against what you would think reality would be. Alright, I don't know why he's swimming in that lane when he needs to be swimming in this lane. You know what I mean? Doesn't make sense. All right.